Hey, my name is Paul. I'm going to be showing you how to do a few lighter tricks. Yeah, this is my zippo. I like it. See, it's a zippo. Alright, I've repositioned the camera so you can see the lighter better and you can see the trick better. Pretty much the first one I'm going to show you is this one little one I came up with. When it's done correctly, it should look not like that. Not like that. Motherfucker! Alright, let's try one more time. That's how it's supposed to look, except I don't think I held it in the right position. It's supposed to be like that. Alright, the next trick I want to show you is another one I came up with. Okay, that was a failed attempt. There we go. I'm going to show you how to fill your lighter really quick then. You have a nice Zippo, you hold up the cotton thing like that, you put just enough fuel in there. You don't want to overfill it or else you're going to have lighter fluid all over your hands when you do any kind of trick, or even just lighting the lighter. Make sure you put it back in there the right way. Alright, shake it up. It burns! Yeah, no more tricks for today. That hurt. Not too much, you know. But, yeah, as you can see, my hand is pretty much better now. I went and cleaned it off and put some lotion on it. And my lighter's going to be out of commission for a little while, because he wants to be an asshole. I don't know what else you want from me, so...